When you were dealing with these clients of yours, did you meet difficult clients?
Oh,
Or
definitely.
you did? So how did you build up the resilience of dealing with difficult people?
This is funny that you asked po, Sir Francis, kasi this is one of the main thing that transformed me into who I am now.
Mm-hmm.
Syempre, when we are working corporate, there's a corporate hierarchy
Mm-hmm.
wherein kapag may problema, if
Mm-hmm.
hindi kayang isolve ng sa baba, i-raise siya.
Mm-hmm.
During my time in the bank, I handled it differently.
Okay.
Because as yung mga office mates ko,
Alright.
they hate difficult clients
Oo
for
nga.
the most obvious reasons.
Oo nga naman.
Pero ako, I was actually hungry for them.
Oh. Are you a sadist by nature? Why do you feel like you wanted this difficult?
I took it as a challenge. Kasi nga
Okay.
dahil introvert po ako dati.
Oh,
Sabi
oh.
ko, paano kaya may improve yung speaking skills ko, ganyan. So, sabi ko, difficult clients, people avoid them kasi they're difficult.
Mm-hmm.
Pero ako kasi I see an opportunity with them. Kasi it has always been a fulfillment deep down inside kapag I have a difficult client, tapos after I talk to them, after I cater to them, tapos ang ending, sila yung nagpapasorry sa akin na, sorry, nagalit ako kanina. And then they end up buying me coffee or giving me donuts or whatever. Kapag nangyayari po ito, of course, I'm not saying anything in front of them. Pero sa isip ko parang, kita mo, kanina galit na galit ka, ngayon nagpapasorry ka sa akin. So there's a fulfillment deep down inside whenever that happens.